In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the internet web browser on your Amazon Fire TV or Fire TV stick. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, starting off in the home screen, what you're going to want to do is just navigate over to the little apps section, just like so. Click on this to expand all of your apps, and once it does load for you, you're going to see a little internet browser on here. Go ahead and open this up, and this is actually the Amazon Silk web browser. It'll load for a second, and then it'll go ahead and take you to a page that looks something like this. But once the browser does open up, go ahead and move your cursor up to the top left corner, and you're going to have a little search option on here. Select it and type in any website that you want using this little search thing right here. So I could low-key search for any website or just search for really anything. What I'm going to do just to demonstrate that this does work is just search for myself. So let's type in Just Pause real quick. There we go. To actually search, hit the play or pause button. It's going to load, and I actually have mine set up with Google, but as you can see, we have Just Pause right here, and we could go directly to our YouTube channel, which of course, if you're on our YouTube channel, you should subscribe. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Now, there is a lot of other settings that you can go ahead and customize up in this top menu. And you could change the search engine. For example, I have mine set to Google, but you could really set yours to whatever you'd like. But that is it. That is how you can use the web browser here on your Fire TV stick or Fire TV. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.